and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing another job on the HT20. You may have seen before we did a bit of cleaning up of the paintwork to get rid of some rust staining, put a new seat on, and we took the exhaust down from the up position, laid it down and painted it, and that's back on now. But for those people that know these tractors, you might have noticed that we didn't put a Jubilee clip around the exhaust and bracket, and that's because we couldn't get one for the time of that recording. So we've got one now and we're going to put this on there. But when we were running the HT20, we noticed that it seems to be struggling with fuel starvation. And when the engine starts cutting out, we also noticed that the fuel primer is compressed, which leaves us to believe that there's some sort of blockage in the pipe or in the tank. So today we're going to take that all off, clean it up and see how far we get. We siphoned most of the fuel out of the fuel tank, and we did up the tap under the fuel tank, disconnected this fuel pipe, and as you can see there's still fuel coming out. It's coming out in a very strange way, so there's definitely a problem with that tap, so we'll need to change that. But first let's just get the rest of this fuel out. Well, that got a tad bit boring. So what we ended up doing was just putting a bolt in the end. But now I'm going to try and take the fuel tank out. With that disconnected, it would be easiest if the fuel tank just came out. But if that doesn't work, then we're going to have to take the hood off to get down there to get this pipe off the tap. We've taken the bungee off there now, and I'll just push this through here to make it a bit easier and see how it goes. There we go, one HT20 fuel tank. There's nothing much to show at the moment. We took the tap off, cleaned it all out. There wasn't really any debris or anything in there. And we've actually, after cleaning it out, we put some new PTFE tape in the thread there, and it opens and closes nicely. And when it's open, it has a good flow of fuel. Although when we were cleaning out the tank, we did find this debris in the bottom, which seems to be grass cuttings. And to clean the fuel tap, we used our brushes that we usually use for cleaning carburetors. And that's all clean now. And we're going to put this inline filter somewhere along the pipe, so we'll need to cut this down to put this into the circuit of fuel pipes. As you can see, we've made up the fuel line with the inline filter and some new pipe. We've deliberately made it a bit too long, and when it's on the tractor, we'll cut it down a bit. But talking of putting it on the tractor, let's do that now. Bit of an update now. We've got everything together, and as you can see, we've got the bonnet down ready to test it. And as a bit of a side note, we've also got the Jubilee clip on the exhaust now, and this will be the first time testing it with the exhaust down and with those holes welded up, and driving it with the new seat. Let's see how all this starts up. it still wasn't running right, so we brought it back in the workshop and got a bit carried away because we noticed that our fuel pump that we installed in a previous video wasn't actually working how it should do. So we got an old one off the HT23 and made one good fuel pump out of the two. And as you saw from those videos, it's running nicely now. And it's nice to get the HT20 running well again. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, comments welcome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!